Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me this afternoon. I have been a bit busy working on some other projects that will be up for sale, and I have made 3 stuffed pocket sets. So these are the stuffed pockets, and you get 3 in each set. So there are 3 sets here for sale. So we're going to call this one number 1, number 2, and number 3. So let me show you what you get in a pack. So they are sold in the packs of 3, so you will receive 3 stuffed pockets in each pack. And here are the stuffed pockets if I'm in view here. So they are big, huge, like tags. You can write on the other side. They have got silk ribbon on them. Each one has a charm of some sort, and I've tried to include some really gorgeous ones in each pack. They all have a paper doll. So this one has oops, turn that around, this lovely lady. They've all got some stickers. So there's a flower sticker and there's a butterfly one in each one. Gorgeous images, lots of ephemera, tickets, little letters, butterfly tickets. This is done with fabric and they are sewn all around. So you will get 3 of these in each pack. So the tags are pretty much the same, just using different cardstock. Again, you can write on this one, and this has this gorgeous little girl there. There are some flower stickers behind there, your butterflies there, gorgeous images, tickets, little bingo card. This is a lace, gorgeous lace pocket. So they've all got 3 pockets on each tag. This one has a rose charm, and again, lovely silk. And this one has 2 charms on. It has a lovely glittery one and this lovely key, this gorgeous little boy, some ephemera, some stickers behind there. There are more stickers tucked in here, little tickets, gorgeous images, and again, this is a lace 3-tier pocket. So that is set number 1. So if you are interested, if you can just tell me set 1, 2 or 3. So this is set number 1, and then this is set number 2. And like I said, I've tried to include some really gorgeous dangles in here. So again, look, this gorgeous cardstock, they are sewn all around. This has this lovely glittery flower dangle. Again, we've got the paper dolls. You do have a butterfly image behind there as well. It's just slipped down. That's a copy of one of my old vintage photos, which is one of my faves actually. You've got flower stickers there and more ephemera, etc. So that's the first tag. This is the second one, and again it has a lovely flower charm, your paper dolls, ephemera here, more ephemera. This has the 2 stickers here, and then tickets, etc. And again, this is a lace pocket, as is this one. And then the last one has this gorgeous dangle. I just love this dangle, is super pretty. So you can either use these to tuck these in journals by themselves, or you can take out the ephemera and use in journals, and take this off and use this as a dangle on a journal. It is entirely up to you. Again, this one, they're all 3 pockets. You've got your ephemera there, your little paper doll, lots of ephemera there, and your butterfly there. So that is set number 2. These are gorgeous, gorgeous images. I just love them. And then the last set is set number 3, which are these. And look at this one. I just love this dangle. Isn't that super, super pretty? And it's got a little flower on there. There's your stickers. There's a butterfly behind there, your little paper dolls, lots of tickets and ephemera tucked in the pockets. I just love these dangles. They just super cute. And again, this is a lace pocket one. There is actually only one that has a fabric pocket, the rest are all lace pockets. This is the second one. I love this gentleman. It has a rose charm, gorgeous little girl, ephemera. You've got your stickers down here and your little tickets and bits and bobs in there. And then this one, look at this one. This one has the word love, a charm that says love, and then a lovely gorgeous heart. Then look at that little ballerina girl, and then lots of ephemera and your butterfly and flowers, etc. So that is set number 3. So if you're interested in these sets, it's either set 1, 2 or 3. They are £10 a set, with £2 postage on each set. So if you're interested, please leave a comment below or email me at stampinstilettos@gmail.com. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you all very soon. Take care. Bye bye.